Are you struggling to choose the right tires for your car? It can be overwhelming with so many options out there. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through the process and find the perfect tires for your vehicle. Start by looking at your car's manufacturer recommendations. These guidelines will give you an idea of the type and size tires that are suitable for your vehicle. Consider the weather conditions in your area and your driving habits. Your tires should be able to handle the elements and the specific driving conditions you encounter. Check the tread wear rating, load carrying capacity, and speed rating of the tires. These factors are crucial in determining the longevity, support, and performance of the tires. Consider the noise level of the tires and compare prices from different retailers and online stores. Finding a good deal without sacrificing quality is important. By following these steps and considering these factors, you'll be able to choose the perfect tires for your car. Remember, your tires are the only part of your vehicle that touches the road, so it's essential to make the right choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below with any questions or tips you may have.